Can you jump off the Earth if you jump hard enough? Imagine this, you're standing in your backyard, you bend your knees, and boom! You launch yourself into space. No rockets, no suits, just pure leg power. Could you really jump off Earth if you jumped hard enough? What does off the Earth mean? To leave Earth in physics terms, you need to hit something called escape velocity, the speed needed to break free from Earth's gravity without falling back down. For Earth, that's 11.2 kilometers per second. That's 11,200 meters every second. Or about 32 times the speed of sound. Or 50 times faster than a bullet from an AK-47. How strong are human legs? A professional NBA player can jump about 1 meter high. That's a takeoff speed of about 4.5 meters per second. Which means we're about 2,489 times too slow to escape Earth. Even if you were the Hulk and jumped 10 meters, you'd still be 249 times too slow. How much energy would it take? The kinetic energy for escape velocity, E equals 1/2 mv squared. Let's say you weigh 70 kilograms. E equals 0.5 times 70 times the square of 11,200. That's about 4.4 billion joules, equivalent to 1 ton of TNT exploding. Or running 1,050,000 calories, enough to power your body for 500 days. Could we cheat physics? What if you were on the moon? Escape velocity, there is only 2.38 kilometers per second. Still 530 times higher than your best jump. Even from Mount Everest's top, you're basically nowhere close. So, unless your legs store the energy of a small nuclear bomb, you're not going anywhere. But hey, you could technically leave Earth if the planet suddenly shrinks to the size of an asteroid. Gravity weakens by 99.9%. And you have a superhero suit. Until then, the only thing your jump will escape is the attention of your gym crush. We can't jump off Earth, but we can jump into crazy ideas tonight, and that's almost as fun. Don't forget to share if you have any crazy idea.